YT, what's happening with you, baby? It's your boy LSG, and you watching LSG TV. Today, we're gonna be doing an update on this T-Top Tuesday of this 1988 Iroc Z. And we're gonna get into it right after the intro. The door handles on this thing. Twin was up here the other day sitting here chilling. Door handles on, door panels is on. Universal charging pad. It also has the real functioning glove box. What's up with it, my peoples? I'm actually gonna get this damn what's this thing called? I'm trying to get some natural light up in here. And for those of you that's asking, yeah, I got my mic up here, you know what I'm saying? Get some natural light in one time. Oh yeah, baby. Might be able to turn them lights off. That's what I wanted. Let's get over here real quick. I do apologize, my people. It might be a little bit of background noise. Please forgive me. But I'm trying to see if I need to keep the light on or light off. Yes, this is my mic, you know what I'm saying, back in the day, you know what I'm talking about. Anywho's, I'm gonna turn this camera around, give you guys an update, let you know what we got going on. I might need to turn the light on. I don't know, it just seems like it's too much damn light. I don't know, but anywho's, let's get to it. So here she is, the 1988 Iroc Z Cutie. For those of you that don't know, this is my daughter twin car. She just turned 16. I had a deadline for September, and as you can see, I did not make the deadline. So for numerous reasons, I'm not gonna get into it, but it's all to the good. So last video I said I wanted to set the transmission in. The transmission is in, the headers is on, and also now that I got the engine and trans in, it has settled down a little bit more. Once I start driving, it should drop down a little bit more. If it don't, I'm gonna do a small drop. Shout out to ALDAN American. They're going to be hooking me up with a rear set of coilovers for this thing. I have the door handles on this thing. Twin was up here the other day sitting here chilling. Door handles on. Door panels is on. I do have the little plastic pieces that I still need to install or whatnot. And last time, this is what she was missing. Hands down, this is my favorite part of the car. We have a modern day console. So it still has that Iroc feeling, has the universal charging pad. It also has the real functioning glove box. Two 20-ounce cup holders in the front, and I believe those are 16 ounces in the back. And last time, you guys, I don't know if you guys recall or not, I did not have the sun visors in. I got the sun visors in on both sides. And I found a couple of the plastic pieces, so I put those in, All the kick panels are done. Pretty much everything in the car is done. I don't know why this girl, and she got something in the seat. Yeah, she was drinking something that spilled in here. Didn't have the audacity to wipe it up. So I kind of just took a break on it because I was like, man, you know what? F it. I already missed the deadline. So, oh, I'm not sure if you guys see that stereo is in. I do have the DS18 for the rear. I need to buy those for the front as well. I bought a lot of stuff for this car, but since I missed the deadline, it's kind of like, I was like, whatever. I have to lift this hood up with two hands, so one moment. There we go. Between the console and the hood louvers, that's probably my favorite part about the car. I have the headers in, but here's the gaskets. It actually was a pain in the ass getting them damn headers in, but I have them in with like one bolt here, two bolts, one or two bolts on both sides. The engine has no degrees, and I was going to fire this thing up. As you guys can see, the harness is on there. The harness is on. I just need to, something happened. Oh, they put the wrong damn crank sensor on here for some reason. So what I'm going to be doing is show you guys the harness. Those coil packs, I would just put them on literally just to start it up, but I started thinking about it. What the hell am I rushing for? I have some LS1 coil packs that I'm actually, they're right here. These are the brackets for the LS1s. These are the dirty ass LS1s that I'm going to be putting on here. And I actually bought some headlights. Got these hoes from Amazon. So these probably was like the best headlights that I could find for this thing. You literally, I mean, you can actually put these in on your G body as well. You basically put them in just like that, and you can change to all these. Oops, you can change to all them colors right there by your phone. Comes with the little pieces right here, but I did buy a kit that made it a little bit easier for me to install these things. So I kind of just keep everything in a damn box, because for sure, my ass will lose all this stuff. So these are the side markers that I have. I did loom everything. So here's the factory headlight harness. I have this all the way loomed up, all the way to both sides. And I have to basically just, here's the one for this damn thing. Here's the one for the side. And I mean, that's pretty much it, man. Also, this is the headlight harness. This is the engine harness. I have all this stuff loomed up as well. This one right here is the ignition key hot. Ignition key hot right here. So I'm going to be using that for something. Probably, I don't know. I just got to see, man. I had plenty. I felt like I had enough time, but the damn paint process was taking too long. I still can't get nobody to fix come do the damn window. And the other little stuff that I need is like this little piece here, the window sills and stuff like that. I do have both of the T-tops. I need the T-top center piece. And I'm going to get the rear spoiler repainted. The back bumper, I'm going to take that shit off, get that repainted. Or actually, I'm going to replace it, because for some reason, right here, this part didn't get fixed. That's where the old exhaust was, so I'm taking that shit off. Need some tail lights, but at this point, I'm basically to the point now to where it's like, I feel funny having this thing on my side, so I'm gonna put y'all on this side. Oh, that's a gray, you know what I'm saying? Excuse my salt and pepper. I'm just at the point to where now, excuse me. I'm at the point to where now I don't want to get this, I don't want to keep buying. It's stuff that I'm gonna have to buy anyway. I don't know if this is the best spot to put this, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hide it. This is my working do-rag, whatever. But anywho's, I don't know. Nah, I don't know. I don't really want to just keep buying stuff. But yes, it's stuff I'm going to have to buy. I'm going to have to buy tires. I'm going to have to get the rims polished. I'm going to have to buy the headlights, the tail lights, the windshield wipers. I'm going to have to buy all this stuff, obviously. But until this bitch running, I said I'm not buying nothing else or whatever. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go buy the radiator fans. When I say this is basically going to be like a Camaro setup. Oh, also another thing, I'm trying to shoot this video one shot, little to no editing, so excuse all the bloopers and all that stuff. I'm just trying to start October right. The day that I post this video is actually the day I'm recording. Today is October 1st, and I am recording this October 1st, just trying to give you guys some good content. Maybe you guys will even get an update for Wagon Wednesday, which is tomorrow. I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. Rudy car is gone. Yeah, Rudy's car is gone. That heads and cam package came good. I messed up footage on that as well because I didn't put the first startup in here. I got another G-body in here. I got some OBS content coming for you guys. I got a lot of good stuff in here. So back to the F-body content. For those of you guys that's here for the F-body content, I want to say I appreciate you. I've probably been slacking on it maybe a little bit, but it's all to the good. I'm just trying to get back in the mix of picking up this camera and getting back to getting used to using my damn camera and editing. I have a lot of content of a gang of old cars that I've done already. It's cars that's already completed that I just haven't been able to post yet. So nonetheless, I know it's not a big update. I know it's probably what you guys was not looking for. The next video is going to be a startup video for sure because it really ain't nothing else to show you guys. The only thing I can really do is yeah, start this bitch. So engine is in, transmission is in. original cross member, I use that. I do need to replace the tail shaft because this transmission came out of like a truck or whatever. The Camaros have like this little torque arm, so I have to put that on there. I already know where I'm getting that from. So this air breather, that's another factor. That thing has to work. I already know how to mock it up like factory, make that thing works like factory, so I'm not worried about that. So next video, headers is going to be on. I can technically start this thing if I want to right now. I already got the spark plugs in. Literally, it's just spray some starter fluid in here, put some starter wires, and here's the crank sensor. I never had this happen to me before. But here's the crank sensor right here. So I just need to splice into this and get this crank sensor put on. But other than that, I guess that's pretty much it, man. And for all of you guys that stuck to the end of the video, I would like to say I linked up with ALDAN American. I know it's not no G-body content, but check it out. I linked up with ALDAN American, and what we're going to be doing is giving away a free G-body kit. Front and rear, single adjustable. So all you have to do is free to enter. It's free to enter. So I'm about to give you the sauce. Follow me on Instagram. Follow ALDAN American on Instagram. On this video right here, comment your Instagram name. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow ALDAN American on Instagram. Comment your Instagram name, and that's pretty much it. And in a couple more videos, I am going to tell you guys how you basically what it takes to win. It's that simple though. No money is needed. All I need is your Instagram name. So I appreciate you, ALDAN American, for helping me out. If y'all didn't know, Guru brought ALDAN American to the hood, and if it ain't in your hood, it's coming to a hood near you soon. You know what I'm talking about? And I love ALDAN American because they just let me be myself, man, and I love it. Anywho's, like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down only if your ugly ass is a bum. Of course, hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get your paper, baby, you know what I'm saying? Because I need a little bit too, shit. I need to finish this damn Iroc Z. And shit, that's it, man. Let me know what you guys think about the interior. Let me know what you guys think about that console. Let me know if you guys want some more F-body content, because I do got another F-body that I could record. It's actually a LTT56 swap. So if you guys want to see a LTT56 swap Iroc, let your boy know something. I might take a little bit of time out of my day to go record it, and I guess that's it. I'm hollering. Oh, let me know if y'all fucking with the interior or not too, man. Let me know if y'all mess with the interior. Let me know what you likes. Let me know what you don't like, and it's all to the good. Keep in mind, Twin is 16. This is her first car, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man. All right, so now that I can actually get a word in, for whatever reason, every time I'm trying to record, is either something is too loud or something is going on. I don't know what the hell's going on with today, but anywho's, like I was trying to say previously in the video, Twin is only 16. She just turned 16. She doesn't need nothing really crazy. I just had 58 Reluctor LS2 that I just sold. I was going to put that in there, and I'm like, you know what? Nah, she don't need that. I previously just purchased a LQ9. I have a set of 243 heads. I have an LS6 intake. I could put that in there, you know what I'm saying? That motherfucker has some steam behind it, you know what I'm saying? You know, a small little BBC cam. But I don't really want to do that. The setup that's in there right now, I think is more than, it really is more than enough, even to the point where I would enjoy it myself. So for those of you guys that don't know the setup, it's a 5.3, 5.3, has Camaro heads, LS6 intake. It does have a custom grind cam in it for sure. It has a 4L65 transmission, and what else? That's pretty much it. The transmission is, I already said that. Transmission is rebuilt, stage 2, 4L65. Spent a lot of money on that thing too. I just basically want to get this thing on the road, no breakdowns, no issues, no problems. It has the problem I do have, it has a stock converter in there. What's the 2800 stall? Has a 2800 stall, which actually might work. I don't know why everyday people want to park and run in front of the shop. Now I got to go out there and tell them, like, hey, it's not a parking spot. knowing damn well they ain't supposed to be parking in front of a garage door. But anywho's, if you guys don't know who Alden American is, they're a suspension company made here in the U.S. They do coilovers, single and double adjustable. That's their main thing. But they also make G-body struck towers and G-body struck towers. Wow. They make G-body A-arms, upper and lower, from a company called Spawn. And they also made a top, like a tower brace for the G-bodies to help out with that G-body shuffle a little bit. And aside from that, check them out. And that's going to wrap up today's video. Like I said, if you guys want a chance to win a free G-body kit shipped to your door, it's a free giveaway. They're shipping to, what is it, local 48 states or whatnot. He told me make sure I say that. Follow them on follow Alden American on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Comment your Instagram name in the comments below. That's all you have to do for a chance to win. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. And let's make October a great month. And I don't know why I keep smiling, man. Hopefully today will be a good day. Give me my money.